Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through how can you add longer videos on Facebook Messenger story. So to add longer video on Facebook Messenger story, at first you just need to go to your Messenger app. Now in the Messenger app, just go to any chats. Now just select your gallery option, and after that you need to just select a video that you want to share. After selecting the video, just click on edit. After clicking on edit, here you can see there is a your story option. Just click on it, and here you can see it is added to your story. So guys, that's how you can add longer videos on your Facebook Messenger story. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.